Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Lydia with Raindrop Lila, and today I'm going to open this huge box I just received in the mail. This is actually won a giveaway from Carrie with Warm Morning Sun, and she's on Instagram, and I'm really excited to see what she sent. Wow, this is huge. Look at that. I can't believe it's so huge. Okay, and how pretty is that? She makes a lot of beautiful items with resin, like seal stamp handles, and she did a giveaway, and I can't believe I won. This is really pretty. The way she wrapped it, this is so pretty. Okay. Wow, it's huge. I didn't realize it would be so huge. So big. Oh my. Look how pretty that is. Ugh. Wow, look at that. That is so pretty. Okay, and the box is gold. So beautiful. So beautiful. It's so pretty. So this is like a jewelry box. That's so pretty. I love that. And she included something extra. This is so pretty. Oh, this is so pretty, and it's got a tree. Guys, she sells these beautiful resin seal. They're like seal handles. This is so pretty. It's so beautiful. How cute is that little mushroom? Gosh, that is so cute. You guys need to go check out her Instagram account. She sells them on Instagram, so you'll have to contact her on there, but she sells all these different handles. Look how beautiful this is. This is so pretty. It's like a fairy tale. And how pretty is this box? Gosh, this is so pretty. Thank you so much, Carrie. I absolutely love this. It's so special to have these pieces from you. I think I'm going to keep my special crafting pieces in here. It's so pretty. Look at that. Thanks for watching, guys. You guys check out her Instagram account if you have an Instagram. She has really beautiful inspiration, and she also has beautiful items she sells. And go check it out. I'm going to link her below. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.